So we've seen one way to teach division. Here's another. It's through a game called Leftovers. Here's all the things you need. 6 paper plates, mine are blue and square, and you need 15 squares like this. I like to tell kids, you're about to go to a party and you need to share these equal pieces, or maybe you want to call them pieces of cheese, equally amongst your guests on the plate. Last thing you need is 1 die. So in teams of 2, or maybe 3 or 4, first person rolls the die. Let's say they get a 5. That 5 lets you know how many plates to put out. So we do that. And then you must distribute your cheese or your squares evenly. No plate can have more than another plate or less than another plate. So you'll see students doing a lot of this all the way out until each plate has an equal amount. So then each person playing the game has to write a division sentence. So we look at the first number we need is the number of pieces we started with, which is 15, divided or shared by the number of plates, which in this case is 5. How many are on each plate? See your answer there. And are any left over or remain? In this case, it's 0. Then the next person will play. You put all your pieces back in one place. The next person takes all 15 and rolls again. So let's say they rolled. This time they got a 4. We'll remove 1 plate. Next person does the exact same thing. Puts them out until all have the same amount, if that is possible. So each one has 3. So now we have 3 pieces left, but only 4 plates. So you'll begin to see kids realizing there are some left over or remaining. Player 2 who went thinks back how many pieces they started with. 15. How many plates they divided by? 4. How many are on each plate? In this case we look, yep, it is 3. How many are left over or remain? 3 again. But this time, those 3 are out of the game, or, better way to put it, they are points for the player whose initial is A, and they keep them. And from this point forward, you start with a new number. So the next division sentence will start with 12, and so on. And that's how you play Leftovers.